PhpStorm is broken, so it cannot generate the doc block like it could previously. So let's see how can we fix this. So to fix this, we can simply open the settings or the preferences within PhpStorm, and then we can select the editor. Over there we do have the option for the file and code templates. I can simply select it and then simply click on the includes part. So there is the option for the files and there is the option for the includes. Simply click on this and we need to update the doc block. So now doc block is broken because there is nothing over here. So to fix this issue, we could simply add a basic doc block like this. So it will be like this. So we add the class, and if there is namespace, because we want to include the namespace as well, so if there is namespace, we can simply add this option for the package. So let's end the if statement, and finally let's close. Let's save this. So let's simply apply this and click on OK. So now if I want to generate the doc block, you can see that I can easily regenerate the doc block. Thank you for watching.